Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So today I'm going to be doing a video of my Ipsy Glam bag, and I'm really excited for the stuff that came in this month, and I have a lot to say about it. But before we get into this video, like this video, subscribe, and ring the bell so that you can get notifications of my next videos that are coming up. And if you want to say hi to me outside of YouTube, I have an Instagram that I'm going to put right here. And let's get into it, guys. All right, guys. So this month, we got some fun stuff for the summer. Sorry, I'm on my phone. I'm pulling up the information of the stuff because this month, like last month, it came with a wonderful card with not the info of the stuff, but how to make waves and 5 tips to maximize your SPF, which is really great. But the thing is, when it comes to subscription box, you kind of want a card to say all the info that's inside the bag. And the past 2 bags, I haven't been getting it. So yeah, this is nice. But anyway, let's get into the bag. Now this month's bag is super cute to bring to the pool or the beach. Stay social distancing, guys. But isn't it so cute? It's this like, see, it's so cute. And yeah, it has like all these beautiful women, all different colors, representing laying on the beach, be feeling beautiful and fabulous. And let's get into the first product, which is actually not in the bag. It's came out of the bag. It is these awesome sheet masks, which I love. I have like so many from my previous Glam bags right here, like so many of them. I constantly keep them here so that whenever I'm in the mood to feel good and to just like have a spa state and just be calm and just feel chic and everything, I just pop one of these on. And these ones are from Hanale. I hope I'm saying this right. One is a pair face masks for moisturizing, and then the other one is a pineapple mask for brightening. Now this one is, you leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and then you massage the serum into your skin. Now, I haven't tried it out, obviously, but I love sheet masks. They're just great. So, very, very exciting for that. Let's get to the next product, which is this Doce, I really hope I'm saying this right. This Doce Freematic highlighter. Guys, I really like it. It's so pretty. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it justice. Hopefully the recording I do of it, you can kind of see how it looks. And I have it on my face today. I'm also going to show you how I applied it on and how I felt about it. I really enjoyed it. It's really, really nice. You can either make it super blinding or you can just make it really nice and subtle. I really like that. And it's also a really cute little travel size bit. So that's really nice as well. So the next product, which I was like, kind of like, really? For the summer? Like, but it's actually not so bad. I have it on my lips right now. It is Sugar. I don't know if it's called Sugar. Oh, it's Sugar Cosmetics. It's their Matte as Hell Crayon Lipstick. 07 Viola. No, Viola, right? I don't know. But yeah, it's this color. It's matte. It's very nice. It doesn't feel drying. It's really good. It's one of those really nice lipsticks that look like a pencil and stuff. Really like the color. I thought it was going to be darker, but to each person it's different, and I really like the color. I wish I gotten something, I don't know, a little like maybe a pop color or like a nuder lipstick. I don't know. But it was definitely not what I was expecting, but I was pleasantly surprised with it. I was kind of let down, but then as soon as I got it and I tried it out, I was like, oh, it's not that dark. It's not like a fall color, but you could definitely pull this off whenever you want during the year. All right, so let's get on with the next stuff. And the next one, let me check, is the Hey Honey Trick and Treat CC2 cream in light medium. Now, I am not wearing this right now, but I did try it out. I really, really liked it. It's very moisturizing, very nice. I tried it out when I left it on when I tried it out. You'll see in the video. And I liked how it didn't mark my lines that I have in my face. Towards the end of the day when I was taking it out, my makeup looked really nice. It didn't look like anything really like smeared off or came off, and I really, really liked it. It was very nice. It has pretty good coverage, and yeah, I have nothing bad to say about this, guys. It's really nice. I have their this peel off mask from them that I also got a small size. I actually bought the full size. I don't know, I could probably get a full size of this too. It was really nice. I really liked it. Now let's go to the last product. Guys, I feel like this video was so quick. It's crazy. All right, so let's go to the Sun Care A to Z Suntique I'm Perfect Cica SPF 50 sunscreen. Oh my God. I'm reading, well, sort of. All right, so it's the Suntique I'm Pure Perfect Cica SPF 50 sunscreen. And this sunscreen, I think it has, while you're putting it on, it has like a slight smell of citrus. I could be wrong. I can't remember. But I like this as well. I did not pair these off, I don't think. But
wait, does this have SPF on it? The honey?
No, it doesn't. That's right. Okay, yeah. So I did pair these off. I'm lying. I paired these off and they worked really well together. I've heard and I've seen where, like, if you put SPF, and you put a base over it, there could be a tendency of it pilling up, and I didn't have the problem with this SPF. Also really nice. Like I said, I had this base on, and at the end of the day it was great. So this did really great together. It was really, really good. Yeah, guys, I really liked my bag this month. I love always getting masks for my face. I always love getting new products that I can use on my face. And, it's always nice to get a nice lipstick. And, the highlighter was great too. It was like nothing bad to say about this bag at all. That is it, guys. This is my video. Wow, I feel like it went really quick. But this is all I have to say about this month's bag. I can't wait to find out what I'm gonna get next month for July. And I hope you like this video. I hope you come to see more of my videos in the future, and like this video, subscribe, and ring the bell. And yeah, guys, that's it. I hope to see you guys next time.